Today we will be learning about determiners. In this we will be learning the meanings and as well as the types of determiners. So we will see the slides and understand in detail. Thank you.
Determiners. Welcome to the grammar class. This is a simple grammar class which teaches about determiners. So let us understand what is this determiners. Determiners are the words which are used before noun to fix or define them. They are also called as word fixer because they fix the meaning of the nouns that are placed before them. So what is that it fixes? So here we'll understand they are called as a word fixer. So it is used before the noun. And we'll understand as we see the slides. So how many types of determiners are there and what are its function. So right now what we have understood is determiners are the word which are used before noun to fix or define them. And they are called as word fixer because they fix the meaning of noun that are placed before them. So it is called as word fixer. The word gives an added information or gives a meaning to a particular noun is called as a word fixer. You can see here in examples. So first we learn the different types of determiners. So types of determiners. There are 6 types of determiners. So I think by seeing this example you will get an idea. Articles, a and the, possessive, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, whose. Demonstrative, the one which demonstrate. This, that, these, those, and numerals. The very word numerals makes us understand counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. And ordinal, in which order it is, first order, second order, third, fourth, and so on. Quantifiers, what is this quantifier? Which gives us an examples of quantity or a word which describes about the quantity such as few, another, several, much, many, more, lot, less, any, some, very. So these are the quantifiers. So we will see in the next is articles. Types of determiners. Articles is one type of determiners. Article there are 2 types. One is definite, the other one is indefinite. In definite article you use the. It gives us a definite information. It makes it in particular, definitely. So in indefinite it may or may not be. It is not giving any definite idea. That is why it is called as an indefinite. So indefinite, the word the. For example, close the door please. Now you can see the yellow lettered the which says that the is used in each and every 3 sentences given here, and how the makes it particular or definitely it is speaking about or giving an information about one particular door, man or market. Close the door please. The man is walking. I walk to the market. So whereas an indefinite article, a is used. A is used before a consonant sound, whereas an is used before a vowel sound. So you know how to use the a and an. The word which begins with vowel or the sound. More is the phonetic sound which becomes an important than just a letter. So we'll see how a and an are used. And we'll have few more examples in the coming slide. Possessive determiners, and in this possessive determiners it gives us an idea about the possessiveness, such as I thought my wallet was lost. How can we get your dog to obey? His gym shoes are on the floor. Her marriage was a disaster. The tiger licked its paw. Our vacation was fantastic. The lawyer knew their client was probably guilty. So these are 7 examples of the possessive determiners. So but one more thing what we understand here is how these determiners are useful. And what is this possessive? Shows the possessive or a relationship. So here you can understand my, our, your, his, her, it, their. Such words are called as possessive, which shows the relationship or shows the possessiveness. I thought my valet. So my is a possessive determiner. And in the next, your dog, his gym. So his, her, its, our, their. These pink colored word are determiners, which is a possessive determiners, which gives us an idea about the relationship, or it gives us an idea about the possessiveness. Next is demonstrative determiners. What is demonstrative determiners? Are the one which gives us an idea of demonstration, such as this, that, these, those. So demonstrative determiners, they are in red in color. So you can see, I prefer these cheese, this cheese to that cheddar. These grapes came out of that box. I haven't been doing much, just a bit of these and that. Those chocolate are just asking to be eaten. That's an enormous spot on your face. These are much tastier than those apples. So I have read these lines. Now what do you have to observe here? You have to observe the demonstrative determiners, that is, which are in red in color. I prefer these cheese, this cheese, then that cheddar. So this, that, it gives us an idea. It is demonstrating how each word is being given preference to. So these grapes came from that box. So it is demonstrating where it came from. And those chocolate, which chocolate? Those chocolate are just asking to be eaten. And these are much tastier than those apples. So it is demonstrating in particular about certain things. So it shows the demonstrations. So next, quantifiers. It is nothing but gives us an idea about the quantity. So quantifiers are much, many, more, less are the quantifiers. Quantifiers, it gives us an idea about what is the quantity of so and so things are. We'll see the example. So numericals. What is numerical? The very numbers are numerical. They are numerical adjectives and nouns. So such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. Whatever numbers you count, they are the numerical adjectives. One person, there were 7 apples. I brought 10 mangoes. So these are the numerical. Gives us an idea about numbers. So numerical determiners are the one which gives a count. So they are numbers. Next is ordinal. In which order? You can see this picture. Here you can see first, second, third. So it gives us an order. First, second, third and so on. 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. Whatever number through number you give an order, those are called as ordinal determiners. And it gives us an idea of order, to which order they belong to. So next is a small assignment here. You have to just place the determiners here. So there are dashes given here, and to these dashes you have to fill up the 6 different types of determiners you have understood. Now you have to just place those correct determiners in these blanks. Hope that this easy grammar determiners you have understood. You can make as many as determiners like this and write this in your classwork. Thank you.